We go through this every year. You know perfectly well what holiday it is.
Okay. Happy Halloween, everybody. Whoopee.
Row 18, plot 20.
Balls! Hey everybody, welcome to Now It's Dark. I'm Jim. We're going to play with some balls today. So if you've been a subscriber to the channel for a while, you know that I introduced Cracky the Clown to the world and kind of started the shenanigans that Cracky does up. The channel that I set him up with didn't really do well, so we've kind of reincorporated Cracky stuff into Now It's Dark. And we did have some leftover Clown Spy stuff. I will link the original Clown Spy first video that's on Cracky the Clown channel. But in the meantime, we're going to open up these 4 remaining balls. And I have a Paka Paka Pinata Party ball left over. Somehow I missed it when I did that video. So let's start with the Pain Party Pinata. These are Funko brands made by Paka Paka. And they do all sorts of like little weird things. Gosh darn it. Look, I think I got this in 2 versions already. This is going to be the common Pinata Whale, and it does come in 2 pieces. At first I thought these were broken when I had unboxed them, but they are actually designed that way. Don't pay attention to my shitty nail polish. I'm a busy guy. This is a busy month. So there is the whale. Let's just refresh my memory of what that whale's name is. Norbington. So we got the glitter one last time, we got a metallic one last time, and now we have the regular. So I have all 3 versions of the Pain Party Pinata Whale. Let's put that up here. Now, what we've all been waiting for is the Clown Spy. So these are just like any other mystery ball. They'll have like one little perforated spot. These ones are way easier to open than some of the mystery balls that I open on my other channel, my other channel, the JLA member channel. Alright, let's see what clown we got. Yay, this does not look familiar. I don't think I have this one. I was particularly interested in these because of the green hair and red nose and red lips. It's very reminiscent of Cracky the Clown, so this look is so perfect. So this also has this little decoder sticker thing, but that's garbage. So let's see. This is a series 1. I think I got these on clearance at GameStop.com. So this looks like a super common. That one. Alright, so not a good start. Super common to kick off Clown Spy, Clown Balls. Balls of clown goodness. Oh, look. Oh, this is so cool. It's a vehicle. Honk honk. Man, I'm so glad. No dupes yet from the first time I unboxed. Look at that. It's like a little clown car. It's Clown Force 1. Clown. Look at honk honk. Alright, so that looks like it's a common, 1 in 12. That's alright. I don't mind getting commons. because you know, to get a full set, you have to have commons. Let's see what our third ball. Oh, another one I don't have. Man, I'm getting so lucky. This is a common, but that's okay. Like I said, a lot of times the commons are more cool anyways, because they have like the original look, design that you're looking for. I have skied once in my life, so there's that. So there's that. And for our final ball of clowny goodness, let's see. There's a few on here. Like this one would be cool to get. That one would be really cool. I hope it's the big eye guy. The big eye guy. See, last time we got that one, which was the bonus figure. And we got the super common of that one. So here we go. Final clown ball. And I jinxed myself. We got a dupe. Still super cool looking though. Very, very cool. So there is the clown spy. Let's take a closer look. Ooh. There they are.